This Acxuodzen USB-C charger block set delivers high wattage through two modern USB-C ports and one traditional USB-A port, so it can comfortably handle a notebook computer, tablet, and phone at the same time. The use of a recent generation gallium nitride chip keeps the chargers compact and lightweight while maintaining strong efficiency and noticeably lower heat during long charging sessions. Support for multiple fast charging standards means it works smoothly with a wide range of devices, from recent MacBook and iPad models to modern iPhone, Galaxy, Android phones, handheld consoles, and smaller accessories. Each charger has a folding plug and a very travel-friendly shape, making it easy to slip into a bag without snagging on other items or taking up much outlet space. The included long-length USB-C to USB-C and USB-A to USB-C cables give plenty of reach from wall outlets to desks, beds, or sofas, which is especially helpful in hotels or older homes. Overall, this 2-pack is a practical choice if you want to replace multiple bulky bricks with a pair of efficient, multi-port chargers that can serve as everyday and travel power hubs.